Well, I tried to turn the halos on, but the car's dead, so sorry. What is going on, guys? Today we got a brand new video with the Mazda 3 sedan. We're continuing with our headlight build. If you guys watched the headlight run through of when I built these and showed you guys how to do it on your own, I talked about deleting my turn signal and just running the LED strip to make wiring a bit cleaner and to make the headlight look a bit less crowded when all the lights are on. If you guys haven't watched that video already, I'll put it up there or there, wherever it belongs, and you guys can click that and watch that. Then come back and watch me organize this all and make it a lot cleaner. I forgot, we're also going to be wiring in a toggle switch in the cab of the car so that I can run the halos when the car headlights are not on. So currently how the relay works with the halo switch, or the halo, is that you run it into the headlights, so when you turn the headlight switch, your halos turn on with the headlights. But it also comes with another wire so that you can have a switch, toggle switch, to turn them on whenever you want. And that's also what we're gonna be doing. So we're gonna be doing a toggle switch for, I guess you could say, kind of like a DRL halo. And then we're also gonna be doing a turn signal delete, just having the LED strips run as their turn signals and clean up the wiring quite a bit in our engine bay near the headlight. And before we start today's video, I want you guys to head over to McGillRacingDivision.com and check out the Mazda merch that we currently have, Ronin collection. It's the Gen 4 Mazda 3. Really nice clean designs and very nice fitting shirts. Head over to the website, check it out. Other than that, guys, let's get into today's video. What we're looking at here, if you're looking at your wiring, this is your high beam halo lights coming out from the bottom here. We have the headlight, of course. Here, this is what we're going to be focusing on, this area. So don't mind these. These were just how I previously connected my turn signal light. But I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be doing here pretty much. Now, let's just say, here's your OEM plug for your turn signal. And this is what we're gonna be obviously utilizing. This is where everything plugs into. So this is what a normal bulb would have on the end of it, and you just switch it into here, and then your bulb sits right there. Here we have what we need. This is all we need from this. So here I have the 3 LED strip wires. These are going to connect to this. So without further ado, I'm gonna start connecting these and soldering them together. So now that this headlight is connected, you guys can see right here, all you have to do is just go kerplunk and she's in. And then I'm gonna take my extra bulb and just plug it in there so it looks like there's a bulb inside, but the bulb doesn't actually do anything. So win-win. And just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on this light now, and then when I'm done doing this light, then we'll go ahead and work on to the toggle switch inside the cab. Alright guys, and for the switch idea, I'm going to utilize my rocker panels right here. Now, there is a way to do this. I'm going to use an aftermarket switch, but if you want an OEM look, you can get, for example, I don't have traction control off. You can get a traction control off button, OEM fit, OEM button and everything. Just press it, it would deal with your lights. It wouldn't say lights, but it's kind of cool if you can. Pop that out. And then you can, I can't show you guys this, but then you can take your fingers here, push, and pop one out, and now we can work with this and hopefully do something with it. Should work. So here I have senior switch with a LED fit right into here somehow. Oh god. Oh god. Guys, it's happening. Oh god, it's not centered. It's not centered. This is a oh, here we go. Here we go. Okay, centered. This is sweet. Now, obviously, it kind of looks like doo-doo around the edges and stuff, but I think this is, you know, maybe temporary until I get an actual switch, but that doesn't actually look too bad. That's kind of cool, and it should fit back on my thing. I've been in here testing out the switch. The way the switch works is from the power button up there, or the little light there up. The top is the ground, the middle is the relay, the halos. This is going to the halos. And the bottom is a 12-volt source, and then once those are all hooked up, so I have the ground hooked up to a ground that's just hidden behind the weather stripping right here. Source obviously going straight to the halos. So I've been sitting around for a while trying to find a 12-volt source that I don't have to wire back to the battery. And well, my OBD2 port actually has a constant 12 volts, and I know exactly which wire it is. I don't know what just happened. My hand hurts a lot. Here we go. My switch is right here, and oh, thank God. Okay, and now the final moment of truth. Why did I end up with a glove on my left hand? I don't use my left hand. So with that being said, my switch has been installed. It looks alright. Just a little bit of some damage up there, but I mean, whatever. I can get another switch another time. That was a little bit harder than it really should have been, only because this battery is doo-doo. But yeah, pretty sick. So now that I'm finally done the wiring, I'm gonna wait for this to charge. I'm pulling out the stereo, the subwoofer, the reverse camera, and the speakers of this car. So by the time I'm done that, it should be charged, and then we can test out the headlights and make sure everything works and see how it looks. You guys are gonna have to wait to find out where all the sub and stuff is going. It's going into another car. I'll let you guys wait for that. Damn. Ooh, those look good. So I'm a little confused because my LED strips aren't working now, but the switch works. So the light is on. All of my connections are a little corroded. That's why. So if I can fiddle with this, there you guys have it. So that's what it looks like without the turn signal. And for some reason I can't get the other side to engage. Now I'm going to show you guys the DRLs. So car is completely off. I just press the switch and you guys can see the halos only are on. So I can do this at like car shows. So like if I have it like that, and then I can do this and have no headlight showing. Do that, then the headlight shows as well. And then I can go into my phone, the RGBs. And guys, that is the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe button, leave a like on the video. Comment down below what you guys thought about the DRL, it's kind of like a DRL, because this doesn't have DRLs, because I have LED high beams, and that cancels out the DRL. So now I have a DRL if I want. I can either do no DRLs or I can do DRL. So I think the headlight setup is pretty much finished. Now there's a reason why it's not all back together. One, because obviously, well, that side's not working, so I gotta figure that out. I gotta put the new bulb housings in because I forgot. Oh, and then I'm getting PPF, paint protection film, for the headlights, so they don't fade. Other than that, we got some exciting stuff coming up. I hope you guys stick around. Like I said, turn on post notifications so you know when I up. Other than that, guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.